Friday signed an executive order paving the way for a Nippon Steel investment in the United States Steel so long as the Japanese company complies with a national security agreement submitted by the federal government. Also, Trump's order did not detail the terms of the national security agreement, but the United States Steel and the Nippon Steel said in a joint statement that the agreement stipulates that approximately, that is the $11 billion in the new investment will be made by the 2028 and also includes giving the United States government a golden share, essentially veto power, to also ensure the country's national security interest that also should have been protected. We thank the President Trump and his administration for their bold leadership and the strong support for our historic partnership, the two companies said. This partnership will bring a massive investment that will support our communities and families for generations to come. We look forward to putting our commitments into action to make the American steel making and manufacturing great again. The companies have completed a Department of Justice review and received all the necessary regulatory approvals, the joint statement said. Also, the partnership is expected to finalize promptly. The statement also added the companies offered few details on how the global share would work and what investment would be made. Trump said Thursday that he would have also been, as a president, have the total control of what the US Steel did as part of the investment. Trump said that the deal would preserve 51% of the ownership by the Americans. The Japan-based steelmaker had been offering nearly $15 billion to purchase the Pittsburgh-based US Steel in the merger that could have been delayed on the national security concerns starting during the Joe Biden's presidency. Trump also opposed the purchase while campaigning for the White House, yet he expressed optimism in the working out an agreement once in office. We have a golden share which I have a control of, said Trump, although it was unclear what he meant by suggesting that the federal government would determine what the United States Steel does as a